All right, we welcome you back to the program. We've been following a story out of Louisiana. The state government there wanted to post the 10 Commandments in every schoolroom. They voted, it passed. Here come the lawsuits. Multi-Religious Coalition has taken the first shot. The group has filed a lawsuit on behalf of the parents. They claim the courts have already ruled this unconstitutional. Louisiana State Attorney General Liz Murrell said the 10 Commandments have been a prominent part of American public education for almost 3 centuries. The state is framing this as not a religious text, but rather an outline to morals. All right, Stephanie, what do you think about the state's argument?
You know, I have a little problem with this one, surprisingly. I think it's fine to have that available to students. I don't know about posting it in every classroom. I'd be happier if they said the Pledge of Allegiance and had the American flag in every classroom, and maybe kept God a little separate from that. There are too many religions, and I don't know. I just don't think this is going to stick, and I'm not sure I think it's a good idea.
All right, separation of church and state has been a long-held tenet of our government. Why is this being challenged so much now?
That's what I don't understand, other than they've taken so much out of the schools that I think give us a great base of how to live our lives, things we grew up with, like I said, like the pledge, other things that we did as children, singing America the Beautiful, or other things they've made the classroom. They politicized the classroom by putting pride flags and other things in there, BLM, and so maybe they're combating it by going a little far the other direction. I don't understand it. Again, I'm not sure I'm a fan of it in the classroom.
All right. So what would Louisiana do if other religions demand that their doctrines be displayed along the commandments, alongside of them?
Exactly. Now you have a wall, you know, of all these commandments and all these ways to live your life. And some of them aren't just 10. You know, other religions have pages and pages of ways that you live your life. So like I said, I think overall we are a Judeo-Christian country, how we were founded. It doesn't mean we haven't evolved into other things. And again, I just think that's a little too pointed, a little too one-sided, and it leaves the slippery slope open to having then to accommodate everyone.
All right. Equality. The thought of that is fantastic.